Hello fellow YouTubers, welcome to our tutorial video where we will discuss various strategies to improve your YouTube videos' visibility. We'll dive into the significance of meticulous keyword research, which is a crucial aspect of YouTube SEO. Learn about the various tools you can use and methods to employ to identify the most relevant keywords that can aid your video's performance. Understanding how to embed these keywords effectively into your video's title, description, and tags is vital. In today's video, we'll be sharing valuable tips on how to boost your video's ranking on YouTube and increase its visibility. Impact of high-quality content on your video's ranking. Techniques for crafting compelling, valuable videos. Boost viewer interaction, engagement, cultivate community, and increase time spent on your channel. The significance of optimizing video file names and thumbnails should not be underestimated. This simple act is a crucial step in getting your videos noticed. Along with that, consider the power of closed captions and transcripts. These tools serve as valuable aids in enhancing your SEO strategy. They are not just for accessibility, but also serve as a means of increasing visibility and engagement. Likewise, video metadata should be adeptly optimized. This includes carefully chosen titles, descriptions, tags, and category selection. All these elements combined make for a highly effective video marketing strategy. Best practices for video metadata optimization. The role of promotion in boosting video ranking is a crucial factor to consider. It involves utilizing effective marketing tactics and platforms to get your video seen by a wider audience, both locally and globally. It's not just about creating the content, it's about ensuring that it reaches the right audience. One of the best ways to do this is through social media platforms. These platforms offer a great opportunity to share your content with millions of users. Moreover, you can also leverage the power of collaboration. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a great way to tap into their audience and increase your video ranking. The benefits of gaining subscribers on YouTube. Subscribers are the backbone of any successful YouTube channel. They represent the people who are genuinely interested in your content and who will consistently watch and engage with your videos. Encouraging viewers to subscribe is therefore crucial for the growth and success of your channel. There are various techniques you can use to incentivize viewers to subscribe. One of the key methods is utilizing the bell icon for notifications. The importance of analyzing your video's performance. It's crucial to understand your audience's response, evaluate viewer trends and demographics, optimize your content with data-driven decisions. YouTube Analytics is a great tool for this purpose. It provides meaningful data and information guiding your decision-making process, making adjustments based on the data. By implementing the strategies discussed in this video, you can increase your video's ranking on YouTube and gain more visibility. This is not an overnight process. It requires time, persistence, and commitment, but the result is worth the effort. You'll see your goals become reality. This video was crafted to provide you with valuable information. If it was helpful, show your appreciation through a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. This will keep you in sync with our upcoming content. Thank you for watching.